beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and I hope you guys are staying safe. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a handbag review. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I make videos like this, and the reason why I do this is because before I personally buy one of these luxury bags, I actually come here to the YouTube community to do my research and hear other people's opinion about the bag before I go ahead to buy the bag. So after buying mine, I come up here to unbox, and also after wearing mine for a while, I come back here to let you know how it has held up so that I can help someone else, you know, to decide if they should buy a bag or not. So as simple as that. So that's the reason why I make videos like this. So and of course, obviously, none of my videos are sponsored. Like, these are luxury handbags, so they can never sponsor someone like me. I don't know about other luxury handbag lovers on the YouTube that has like a whole lot of collection, maybe, but not somebody like me. Like, I'm not sponsored in any way, so I come up here to give my own candid opinion and review about all the bags that I have and have used. So if you're new to my channel, again, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you are an old subscriber, I love you right back. At the end of this video, if you all like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. So the handbag I'm going to be talking about is this bag right here. So it usually doesn't come in a box, so in case you buy yours and it doesn't come in a box, don't freak out. This is how it comes. It comes in a dust bag. However, if you buy like a pre-loved one, maybe from Fashion File and all those people, they might put it in a shoebox for you. But buying straight from YSL website or Neiman Marcus or Saks, it's only gonna come in a dust bag, and of course a box that they used to mail it to you. So this was how this one came. It wasn't in a box or anything. I saw a video and someone said that you can actually call them up as well and ask them to put it in a shoebox for you. Personally, I do not store all my bags in their boxes. I put some in their dust bag, just like you can see behind me. So I store some in their box and I store some in the dust bag. So yeah, so it didn't matter to me. This one just kind of like, I just categorized this one as one of the ones that I do not have to store in the box automatically because it didn't have a box. So I bought mine from Neiman Marcus, and when I bought it, the reason why it's good to buy from stores like Neiman Marcus or Saks is because they do sales off and on, you know, so it's good to always check them out first before going to the YSL website. So I would say check out Neiman Marcus, check out Saks, you know, do your research, check everywhere you can check. I think there is one other store that is called My Teresa. You know, there are so many luxury consignment stores that you can check to make sure that they don't have any sale going on before you buy. Because when I bought mine, this bag wasn't on sale, but because I bought this bag from Neiman Marcus, I got a $300 store credit, you know, that wasn't active until like 8 weeks after anyways, but at least I had a $300 credit that I was able to use after 2 months. So which is something. I would say always check out the luxury consignment stores to make sure that they don't have any sale going on before you go ahead to buy this. I think Nordstrom as well, they do sales like sometimes in the year, you know. Just my point is, just make sure you look around for where you can find a good deal before you make your purchase. So I got mine from Neiman Marcus. It came in this dust bag, and of course in the box that it was mailed with, and out of the box it had this bag. The film was covered, I believe. I can't remember. I'm gonna link a video below, the video that I did when I was unboxing the bag. I'm gonna put it below so that you can see how it actually came. So because I've had this bag for a while and I've been wearing it ever since. Like, I've worn it a lot, and that's the reason why I'm coming here to, you know, talk to you about this bag, to let you know how it has held up and all of that good stuff. So this bag, I mean, in case you just want to know, you don't want to hear any explanation, you just want to know if it's worth it or not, I'm gonna say it is worth it. Like, it is 99 over 100. I'll tell you the reason why I removed 1 point much later. But yeah, if you want to buy it, I would say do not hesitate, go ahead and buy, because it is worth it. So yeah, this is what the bag looks like. It has this gold hardware at the front, and opening it up, it has this closure. Please don't laugh at me, I still have the film on my closure, and the reason why I still have it there is because it doesn't bother me, it doesn't bother anybody, so why not just keep it on, right? So I just keep it there because these bags are bags that I plan to wear like for years, and I think the same should apply to everybody, because these are expensive bags. So it's not something that you're gonna have for like 2 years or 5 years, something that you would have for like 10, 15, except you decide to pass it down to your kids, or if you wear it every day, you know, it might get spoiled. But it's not expected that this kind of bag should be worn like for a few years. So that's why sometimes I keep the film on the hardware when I can. So this one is not bothering anybody, so it's right there. So yeah, it has this strap which can be worn long or short on the shoulder. So it can be worn on the shoulder and it can be worn on the body as well. So I'm a 7'5", and I'm gonna be I'll insert picture of me wearing this bag to show you how it looks like on me, crossbody and on the shoulder. So yeah, so this is what the bag with the strap looks like. The strap is pretty long. I think it's like a 21 inches in length. I'm gonna put the dimension of the bag and of the chain length on the screen, somewhere on the screen as well, so you can see. But yeah, this is what the bag looks like. In terms of durability, this bag is super duper strong. Like, it's a strong bag, you know. It has this grainy leather, so that means you cannot easily get scratches on it because of the grains on the leather. So it has a grain leather, so you can just not get scratches on it. So this is what the side looks like, and this is what this side looks like. And inside is like super roomy. That's another thing. For a bag at this price, a luxury handbag at this price, you would expect a tiny space, but really this bag is like super roomy. Like, it is very, very roomy. I love that about it. And when I have it on my shoulder, I'm outside the house, I'm in a party or something, I really don't have to worry about dropping my stuff or not having enough space for my things, because everything I'm carrying for a party or for an event goes right into this bag without changing the shape. So I love that a lot. So now back to the reason why I gave this a 99/100 is because when you open it up, see, the leather shrinks at this part. So if you are not careful, I don't know how long this is gonna go before it begins to break. I have no idea. I try as much as I can to not open it all the way, you know. I try as much as I can to just open it as little as I can, just to be able to get into it. So I try not to, you know, push it all the way, so it doesn't, you know, so it doesn't shrink more and break. So yeah, that's the only reason why I did not give this bag a 10/10 or 100/100. The only reason is because, like I said, I do not know. Mine is not breaking. It doesn't break. I have watched so many other people's video. Nobody has complained about the leather breaking, but just the fear, I mean, just the wrinkle that I see when I push it off, it kind of scares me sometimes. Like, oh, please don't break. Don't break, you know. So that's the reason why I didn't give it 100/100. So in terms of durability, it is strong, it has space, and inside you can also see it has card space inside as well. It is very stylish, it's very versatile. Like, you can wear this crossbody, you can wear this on your shoulder, and you know, the gold hardware is shiny and nice. You know, it gives you this expensive look. Like, it gives you this look that makes you stand out. So I love this about this bag. Another thing I love about this bag is the YSL at the front. I think that is super iconic. This bag can be simple and sleek and sophisticated, just however you want it. So that versatility is a big deal to me. That's why I love it so much. And the durability of the leather as well is top notch. And also the space that you get for this price, you know, it's also nice. I can't remember at the top of my head the exact cent and dollar that I bought this bag for, but I'm going to be putting the link below so you can go and see how much I got it for. But just like I said earlier, I actually got it from Neiman Marcus, and buying it from Neiman Marcus, I was able to get like $300 store credit that I used on something else, so which is a big deal. So I love this bag a lot, and I will definitely recommend that if you are in the market and trying to buy it, I'll definitely recommend that you should go ahead and buy it. I don't want to drag this video for too long. Like I said, I really don't have anything bad to say about it because it has only served me well. I do not regret buying it. I love the day that I made the decision to buy it. And shout out and thank you to the people that actually made videos about this bag. You know, I really appreciate your comments and your opinion, because they've actually helped me in buying this bag. So now I am now sharing the same opinion with you guys. I'll tell you, if you want to buy it, don't hesitate, go ahead and buy it. You're not gonna regret it. So yeah, that's what today's video is all about. Thank you so much again for clicking this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and have a blessed day. Remain blessed. Peace.